Dear learners, welcome back to our educational channel Learn and Educate. We would be studying about the definition of organization as given by Chester Barnard, wherein this definition is about how organization is a system of consciously coordinated activities or forces of two or more person, wherein Chester Barnard gives that organization is a deliberate coordination of activities of people wherein people come together, they perform activity jointly in a planned, conscious and coordinated manner, and it becomes an organization. It is not just a building, office or structure. It is a system of coordination, coordinated human efforts. Organization is a system of coordinated human action, is a cooperative system wherein deliberately people work together to achieve a common purpose. As per Chester Barnard, organization is a system of consciously coordinated activities or forces of two or more persons, wherein people come together to perform activities combinedly, jointly in a planned, conscious, and coordinated manner, wherein it is a cooperative system created when two or more people deliberately coordinate their actions to achieve a common purpose. It is about a system of coordinated human efforts. System. The component of Chester Barnard definitions gives about first system. An organization is not a random collection of activities. An organization is a system, a structure wherein people work together jointly to achieve common purpose. It is a system, a structured whole in which different parts interact. Every person, every activity, and resource is connected. Organization is about consciously coordinated activities. The activities inside an organization are not accidental, they are planned, directed, coordinated. Everyone knows what they must do and how their work fits with others. This means management plays a key role in ensuring coordination as a consciously coordinated activities. The third component of definition is two or more persons. A single individual cannot form an organization. Minimum requirement is of at least two persons. These people share responsibilities, they work together, they follow a common purpose. Chester Bernard focuses on human cooperation, wherein cooperating is the foundation. Activities or forces. It is about how tasks, duties, functions are worked, and forces. It is about the motivation, incentive, the communication, the willingness. The Chesterton focus says that an organization works only when people are willing, when people are properly motivated and communicate effectively between them. Psychological factors are part of the organization. How this definition is best described is organization as a cooperative system. It is a system where people consciously cooperate willingly. Organization is created through coordination. Coordination is the glue that holds the people and activities together. Organization is a social system wherein people interact, motivate each other, and communicate and work as a group. Organization is intentional, wherein there is a deliberate planning, not an accidental grouping. Organization depends upon human willingness. It If people refuse to cooperate, the organization collapses. So motivation plus communication and how there is an intentional planning. These are the essential forces. Therefore, when when we understand this definition, there is an example. Suppose two friends start a small business. One handles buying raw material, and the other handles selling products. Both d- decide their task consciously. They coordinate their work. Therefore, they are able to perform their functions and achieve the goals of business. That is, one buy the product and another sells the product. Therefore, this becomes an organization even if there are only two workers. This definition given by Chester Bernard is important. Why? Because it is a dynamic definition, it is not mechanical. It highlights the role of communication, motivation, cooperation, willingness. It helps understand the human behavior is central. It is about how the Chester Barnard defines organization as a cooperative and consciously coordinated system where two or more people, individual, work together to achieve common objectives through planned activities and shared efforts. This definition is about how the people work together in a combined communicates with each other, they are motivated, they cooperate to each other, and there is a willingness. This definition is about the motivation and communication are essential factors. There is a coordination, there is a social system, there is an intentional activity, and a cooperative willingness to work together. It is about how activities and forces are combined, how responsibilities ensure they work together to follow a particular structure, and then consciously achieve the objectives for which it was formed. It's a conscious coordinated activity wherein organization is structured, there is a purpose, there is a human element involved, and and this ensures that how they work together efficiently for consciously coordinated activities, and this ensures that people are arranged in a structured manner which helps to define their activity, their responsibilities, and there is a coordination wherein there is an accountability. It sets authority and answerability. It is about efficiency and how the goals are achieved, agreed purpose. This definition is about how their work is deliberately defined because of how and what they are going to do. This is about the division of labor. This definition focused on division of labor and a group relationship because this is about the relationship among the group, among the people who work together, who have established the responsibilities and they coordinate. When work becomes specialized, there is increase in efficiency. The right individuals, the right people, how they perform their work, and the key components of the definition is about the coordination among individuals, the right system, the proper division of work. This is about how planning and arranging this there is a pattern in this definition which states that authority, relationship, responsibility, that is a communication, the coordination lines because they consciously coordinate which defines their roles and responsibilities. This is about the human relationship framework. This is about the coordination of activities, coordination of task, and purposeful oriented activity. This definition given by Chester Barnard, it mentions about how there is an intentional and deliberate arrangement. It is a product of planning. There is a consciously coordinated activities or forces. That is motivation comes into play. How they are motivated and they that is a binding force which helps to achieve the objectives.